Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everybody, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you, Mister?
Okay, I'm okay. How about other students? Are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, before we are learning English, I would like to praying. Yeah, maybe praying. The praying will be led by the chairman. Okay, the chairman.
Okay, everyone, before we start studying, let's pray together.
Okay.
Start, finish.
Okay, thank you very much, Cinta, who leads the prayer for this morning. And then I'm going to call list attendance for today. And then for list attendance, I'm going. You can fill in the heart. Yeah, maybe I'm going to share about list attendance. Okay, that is list attendance. Next,
Present.
Rian Aldiana, Aris Jesli, Zahra Aulia, Husna Konita.
Mister.
Okay, thank you very much, Asna. Anissa Virginia Kasogi, Sabrina.
Present, Mister.
Okay, thank you very much for your coming, and then we will continue our lesson. But before I continue our lesson, I'm going to ask you some of the question about material this morning. For the student, are you still remember about the lesson last week? About what? Okay, thank you very much. Last week we are talking about greeting cards, but today we will review or repeat again of the lesson about greeting card. Okay, and then I'm going to ask you of the day about greeting cards. But before I'm going to give the material about greeting card, I'm going to some of motivation, especially for today who want learn English. Yeah, that we know that English is very important for us because in English is what is international language. Yeah, so because of English as an international language, so you have to able to speak English. Yeah, with globalization era. Yeah, and then besides that, if we able to speak English or we can communicate with English, yeah, you feel the happy, of course. Yeah, because you have ability about English language. Yeah, and then don't forget. Yeah, don't forget to study hard about English, and then you have to practice the English. Yeah, in everywhere, in any time. Yeah, you have to practice English. You can practice with your friends maybe, and then with your teacher, with your family, and etc. And then you can improve your English language by watching the video, listening to music, and then you can also practice with everyone. That is the motivation after you learning in learning English. We use project-based learning. Yeah, project-based learning. So when we are studying about greeting card, and then you can produce or make a product at the end of the lesson. Yeah, you have to able make greeting card, and then finally, after you make greeting card, you can present about that greeting card by you presentation you present on in front of the class, or you can make the video. So you have to practice on presentation by making video. Yeah. Before about we are talking about greeting cards. Maybe I have a question. I have a question about a greeting card. Yeah. What is the question? For everybody, the question is: have you ever seen the greeting card, students?
Of course.
Of
Yes,
course.
I have.
Of course.
Cinta? Of course.
Yeah.
Cinta, have you ever seen the greeting card, Cinta?
Yes, I usually see it when it's at my birthday.
Okay, okay. And then the next, have you ever received the greeting card?
Yes.
Oh, you have ever received, yeah. And then have you ever sent the greeting card for everybody, every students? Okay, yeah. So you have to ever send the greeting card. And then the last question, yeah. Have you ever made the greeting card?
Yes, I
Oh,
have.
yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you very much. If you have the made greeting card, let's check again, and then we make the greeting card again. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to share screen. Yeah, about the material about the greeting card. Okay. Okay. Yeah, and then don't forget. Yeah, you have to attention the picture and then the videos, right? Okay, I'm going to give you the picture of greeting card, or kind of the greeting card. Okay, yeah, I'm going to show you. I'm going to share.
I can't see the screen, sir.
Okay, okay, can you see it? Okay, thank you very much for everybody. Now, for a student, this is a kind of greeting card. Yeah, this is the picture. Yeah, the first happy wedding. Yeah, expresses about ready that happy wedding. Yeah, and then this is the content. Yeah, the content. Friday. Yeah, the time is Friday, 16 November 2008. Yeah, at 16 p.m. until 15 p.m. at backyard of the host. Yeah, this is the video. Yeah, or another pictures. Okay, I'm going to stop first. Okay, can you see it? This is the definition about greeting card. Okay, greeting card kind is an illustrated card used to convey an expression of friendship or other feeling. Yeah, maybe Jocelyn, can you repeat again about definition of greeting card, Jocelyn? Illustrated card used to convey an expression of friendship
or
other. Okay, thank you very much. Repeat again, sorry, pardon.
Okay, mister.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now for everybody, back to the main room. Okay, okay, thank you very much. Now we back to the room, and then and also I will search about LKPD, and then you do the task or fill the activities. Yeah, about greeting cards, they are Marta, and then you feel ini. This is the task to make pictures above the words provide. Okay, I'm going to stop screen. Yeah. Next question. Stop share. Okay. The next task. Yeah. You have to make a greeting card. You make greeting card. Divide into two. Yeah. The first, using the in physics of greeting card, and then the second you can make a greeting card by using Canva or another tools, ya. Boleh pakai yang lain juga, ya. And then for the project meeting, ya, you also can practice or present in front of the class, ya. If we have good situation, yeah, if you have in meeting or in study in luring. And okay, you have to remember the task making a greeting card, yeah. Okay, before you making greeting card, of course you have to activities how to make a greeting card. Okay, and then I'm going to show you about activities, yeah. What should you do? Okay, I'm going to share again. This is the activities, yeah. Activities or planning how to make greeting card. Slide for making the greeting card, ya. Langsung saja untuk making greeting cards, and then you will join in breakout room, ya. Udah dibuat
Apanya? Greeting cards.
cardnya, ya. Greeting cardnya dibuat kayak simple dulu, nggak apa-apa. Nanti kalau misalkan nggak selesai, ya Jaslyn boleh diaktifin. Siva, Nabila, Ersya, ya diaktifkan semua speakernya diaktifkan. Oke, Karen Sheridan. Oke, thank you. Siva, Nabila, Ersya, and Karen, ya. Have you made a greeting card? Sudah mulai dibuat, ya. Ya, yang penting buat rencananya, ya. Plan activitiesnya tadi ditulis, ya, yang ada nomor, gitu, ya. Yang ada nomornya. Terus kegiatannya apa, itu disusun dengan baik. Group. So I think enough the lesson of today. So I'm going to close the lesson today, and then I'm going to ask you, yeah, how about the lesson today?
Pretty good.
Okay, pretty good. Thank you. Yeah, and then you you understand, yeah. And then for closing the pray, especially for the lesson today. Cinta, please need to pray.
Okay, everyone, before we end today's English lesson, finish.